Hey guys, welcome to another art tutorial. I am making a watercolor texture with my brush. That's the marker brushes from the Korean markers. These are really amazing. You can create anything from these brushes, the watercolor textures, your artwork. You can use them as a watercolor, you can use them as a marker, as a brushes. It has a multiple different uses and I love creating them. So I'm creating a different kinds of textures using using the wet and wet technique. I have added too much water to my uh, paper, and then I'm adding the colors from this brush onto the paper to make it kind of like a texture. And then I'm gonna spread it evenly using my brush, and I'm taking a brush and mixing it evenly well onto the paper with the creating a textures. Now creating a texture, watercolor texture is always a fun for me. Like I really love doing it, and it's like kind of like so much fun in creating these watercolor texture. You don't need to do anything apart from that. So kind of like a mixing the components together, and you need to be flexible with that. There is no rules, guys. Creating a watercolor texture, there is no rules. Do it whatever way you wanna and what exactly you want your result to be. I want my result to be a layers of the watercolor, and then mixing it with the another color, that is a green Korean marker brush. And I really love these colors, guys. These are so really vibrant, and they have a complete set of different colors. So I have a different variety of colors. I can create a different type of colored watercolor texture with these marker brushes, which is really awesome, and I really love doing it. So that's what I'm doing in this. I'm just mixing it well and using my brush together, so I can see that it's mixed evenly with my brush. And then I'm just taking a brown watercolor marker brush and mixing it evenly over there. And now I need to mix the green and brown evenly together with my plain brush, having a complete water. That's a plain water, not mixed with any color, just a water within the brush and mixing it evenly well onto this brush. So that's the thing you want to do it, guys. You can mix it well evenly over there with a brush, and just adding a plain water, creating a texture, and repeating the process again and again. That's all I want to do with that. And I love creating these watercolor brushes, watercolor textures, and these are just a freestyle of me doing it. There is no rules, there is no strategy behind on how to do it. You can be flexible and just taking your brush and onto the color and adding the different colors, and then evenly mixing the different layers of the colors together, creating a texture. Somewhere it's too dark, somewhere it's too light, somewhere one color is more visible, somewhere all the colors are evenly well together. Like it's depend on you guys how you want to do it. It's all depending on you. You need to be flexible with that. Just don't put too much pressure on creating these watercolor textures, since there is no rule. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Take care, guys. See you for the next time. Bye, guys.